m.amir will get some swing. Gets more into that. On target, he was certainly on target. Oh, that might be out. That could well to the batsman, Hurft. They're celebrating it.
Brilliance from m.amir. Don't worry about Hurft, he needs a hearse.
Let's face the one delivering today if he gets going. Oh, that's high in the air. This could be another one. Should be another one. And is another one. Wow, good buzz.
No problems with that line there. Just looking to swing that away leg side. It's moved enough to pick up the outside edge. Gone straight up in the air. Rumming. Called early. Wanted it. Munsey goes for 6.
Seen that before, I think. Oh, that's another edge. m.amir has been involved in all 3 now. First one was a run out.
Takes another. Again, that little bit of movement. Follows it. Nothing for Banukia to write home about today either. He's on his way back. He's got company out there now.
3 wickets in this over. Oh my goodness, that is another one. This is unbelievable stuff. m.amir has got 3 himself in this over, and also the